if I will have an opportunity to meet His Excellency the President, I will kindly ask him to, as I support him, to protect our employment and labor relations court, because it's a court that is dear to me. I fought for years for the expansion of the court, which was realized during President Kipaki's time. We have this court in every region, and this is a court that protects the weak. Therefore, we will be on forefront to protect this court. Protecting the court does not mean we support corruption. We support the president 100% on corruption and weeding out corruption in judiciary and other departments as well that are of public departments. So a specific process where corruption is bending our image as a country. I want to support the judges, and most the principal judge who mentioned that we have foreigners who are investors, and when they come here they don't adhere to our industrial relations machinery or our laws in this country, labor laws and the rest. They want to live in countries which are foreign laws and which cannot be accepted in this country. As we invite both direct and indirect investment and investors themselves, we must be keen to protect our own industrial, labor, relations, machinery and systems.
History is the promotion of harmonious industrial relations, which resonates with the court's mandate in terms of pursuit of justice and fairness for the labor disputes. My ministry is spearheading the process of operationalizing the alternative dispute resolution mechanism, the ADR, which will go a long way to reduce cases.